It's the 4th of July parade in Pleasant Hill, California. Ham radio operators from the Mount Diablo Amateur Radio Club are providing radio communication to help coordinate the flow of the parade and to help provide safety for the participants and the spectators. The many community groups that will be part of the parade gather in a 4-block staging area behind the starting line. Hams help parade organizers keep track of which groups have arrived and help the organizers position the groups in the proper order.
Former checkpoint 2.
Go ahead, checkpoint 2. This is Ned.
Do you mind if I go direct to start?
You can go direct to start and do not pass go. Do not collect your $200.
KS6 EUM, this is KG6DES.
As the beginning of the parade approaches, anticipation rises among the several hundred participants. The noise level rises as well. All hams are at their stations. The parade is about to begin.
This is Net Control. The parade is starting right at this moment.
Several thousand moms, dads, and children and other spectators line the 1.5-mile parade route.
4H are stopped at Gregory Lane. Okay, let me know when they start, because I've got the whole parade.
Some radio operators walk the parade route and help control the flow and spacing of the groups that are marching and riding in the event. Other radio operators are stationed at various checkpoints along the route to report on the progress of the parade and on any special problems or needs that occur.
The yellow unit was not Division 4. What was that?
As groups pass the parade review stand, their contributions to the community are recognized.
And here come Northern California Square Dance Association. The Northern California Square Dance Association began in 1953. Today they have 40.
One of the ham radio operators is stationed at the review stand to help set up and control the audio equipment and to advise the Master of Ceremonies about which groups are approaching.
Dance at Disneyland. Two of the clubs that they have are for handy-capable dancers. Now joining us, the CR Fireline Incorporated Fire Engine. This engine is used for testing fire sprinkler systems.
As the parade comes to an end, the crowd begins to disperse. The Net Control radio operator transmits a last message.
This is Net Control for the 2001 Pleasant Hill 4th of July Parade. We've been providing radio communications for this event. We are now officially done. The frequency is clear. Thanks to all.